All right, what's up, fellow carcists? So today I'm going to do the unboxing and review of the HJC I10 helmet that I purchased. So let's get right into it. What else comes in the box? Nothing. Just packaging material so it doesn't rattle around. Alright, so it comes in this dust cover, has HJC helmets on it. And then here is the helmet. I'm going to do a little comparison here shortly with the Strix helmet, which is the one my wife wears. But here's the I10 helmet in semi flat black. I did purchase the pin lock for this helmet, so I'm going to throw it on here shortly. All right, let's see what's inside here. Basically the owner's manual. That's about it. So let me go ahead and grab the wife's helmet and do a quick comparison. And then we'll throw the pin lock on here. And then after that, this will be the next video, but I am going to go ahead and throw the Motovlog setup that I'm going to be running with this helmet. But they'll be two separate videos. So stand by, let me go get her helmet. All right, here's the wife's helmet. And like I said, this is the I10 Strix. The only difference is the graphic design. And basically, I was going to get one that matched hers, but this one was a little bit cheaper. And then I thought, you know, it'd be something I could kind of create some content with since it's a little bit different. But this one is a small, and this one over here is a medium. The vents are the exact same on the top. Also on the front, and then on the chin as well. Now hers does not have a pin lock. We'll see, I may end up getting her one, but she doesn't really ride when it's cold, so kind of no point. There's not a whole lot of, you know, drastic temperature changes whenever she's riding, so there's no real point right now to get her a pin lock. But yeah, I mean, I think they both look pretty slick. Go ahead and peel off this protective film. Then we go ahead and grab the pin lock and get that thrown on, and then I am going to go for a ride. Even though it's fairly chilly today, it's like 39 currently, but I want to get out and go for a ride, so that's what I'm going to do. All right, here's the pin lock that I bought. Pin lock 70. I have literally no idea how to install this thing. So let's open it up and see how I need to, or what I need to do to install it. So first off, I'm going to start by removing the visor itself. So basically if you open it up all the way and then push down this lever, it's going to allow, it's on both sides, it's going to allow the visor to pop off. So alright, so you make sure that your visor is clean on the inside. And then as you can see, there's silicone here. That's going to face the visor. And what you're going to do is basically flex the visor. It's going to go here. So now you're going to flex the visor. Then you want to make sure this is sealed where the silicone goes up against the visor. And then going to remove the film. And put it back on the helmet. Alright, so basically both sides are locked in now. Here's the medium HJC